Так. Йоу, всем здорово, всем привет. Так. Всем здорово, всем привет. Начинаем супер хоррор стрим. Игра под названием Signifier. Или как там. Про какого-то ученого, который сканирует мозг или что там такое. Ну, очень психологическая игра. Сейчас посмотрим, что будет. Свободная ячейка. Давайте обычный пойдем. То сложности. Зачем они нужны? Исследование социальных сетей, технологий, сканировал мозг, привлекла тем важным событием создания. Миссия является фактур. Ловец снов образил. Короче, собака здорово. Тух тен тема бит. Тухонголут разработкаламыт сканер мозга. Тух бар воспоминания тугу бар на сканере дулар. Распишите здесь. Да. Сфотографировать зачем? Так полагается. Для звука где мощный наушник Тайсланда. Возможно, харара болу. Графона пиздец чокай не удивитер. Кнуты да графика. Задание. Обследовать кейс. Тогда. Короче. Ля, здесь мощная графика-то. Ой. Буду работал сканер. Мой маленький проектик. И вот что оно вырос. Нихуя себе. Мне нечего сюда поставить. Цифровой слепок. Икен куттанар гына наушник еттим на полный. Абы. Дара. Куры. Аху. Unreal им бобадық атаға көстен дүгіріңді движога. Атақ күлігі қаддары. Та физикатан аханың чокай девақ. Ок, хин хүйлік не бәк бәт. Дара. Кейс обследовайдық бұнда. Ага, откуда я знаю пароль? Оу. Том. Дима Ефимов, здорово, Лорен. Она слишком важно написана для юбилейной страны. Вице-президент.
Putting me in a tough spot here, Tom.
Not if you're careful, Russell. Just make sure nothing leaks out.
Why not wait for the full autopsy? Why do you need me?
We need to move faster, and if there's something bigger going on, we need to investigate. This is a one-time chance to catch them. GoAT has been dodging us for way too long.
So you want me to spy on them through her memories?
No, I just want you to find out how she died, which is legal. But if I'm right, it will take us somewhere nasty. I know there's something off. We just need to find out what.
All right.
Oh, илетин түйден көріңгітен илетин түйден.
Remember, it's because of these people we're here in the first place.
Well, we don't know anything yet.
Will, Russell.
Пичоу, здорово, бро.
Just suicide. You'll see. So, I'm giving you access to her apartment on Stratford Avenue. They're about to wrap it up over there. But Detective Stan Becker's waiting for you. He knows you're coming. If you want to investigate the real place, you should head out there now.
All right. I'll check it out.
Okay then, I'll leave you to it. Don't keep Stan waiting. Keep me posted on anything you find.
Sure.
Мишка, здорово.
See you.
Так. Все. Показать субтитры на F1. Скрыть субтитры. Показать. Digital Brain Disk. Окей. Выглядит doğru. Слепок мозга, да, держу. Doğru değil mi? Bu da. Bu çocuk bitti. Джованна Каст, вице-президент. А, bu çocuk bitti. Сейчас выясним, как она умерла. Так. Посмотрим на фотографию. Kendini kapattı. Ай, тет. О, мышка написано. Хуя резко. Когда-нибудь этого шелака цепить. Так, посмотрим, а сейчас какой год? Отсюда выясним, блин. Ой, тогда нагад. Так. 39 лет. Фейсбукка 14 лақа келеді твиттерге орналасты. Бля, сейчас какое время? Нет. Ладно. Так. Короче, мы что-то взяли. Надо его, походу, сюда поставить.
This will take a while.
Это не быстро будет. Лучше мне сходить в квартиру пока.
I've got nothing to put in there.
Квартира бар. Тоқтар. Нихуя, серверный.
I can't believe the loss of performance after adapting them to comply with the new laws. Times are changing indeed.
Воистину времена меняются.
This is the first thing I brought in here.
Об игры фанерты джиннаху дукатал.
I really need a new partner. Hard to replace Carl, though.
Больше туалет.
Carl liked to read this nonsense. I never figured out how such a great scientist was able to pour so much time in reading clickbait articles. He once said he could draw global connections through them.
Глобальные связи. Так. Тут трубка. Туратор. The mirror stage.
The idea was an office lab hybrid.
Так, где-то записывать, говорю. Қандар так міне. Квартира Джованны. Вот так что ли? Қарарды стрим. Қайда? Буферизациялап атайын да. Бітті мощный графика деп бля.
Feel free to take a look around, but don't touch anything. Let me know if you have any questions.
Хуя себе. Если мені VR-ға бар олар ашы жескай болады. Күніңді көреді. Ни хрена себе. О, қармаса çok кайф. Бәтті, мақтал. Күніңді. Бұл ашы жинақ да көт. Аны GTA манын графикалақ болынды. GTA 6 хотя бы. Оны беспределы хадиларында. Аллайыңы. У. Ху-ху. Е.
Looks like where the body was.
Кажется, здесь лежало тело.
G-Zack sleeping pills.
Снотворный
Need a prescription for
ГЗАКС.
these.
Без рецепта не продается. Так. Кем рецепт перевели?
Vomit. Vomit. Vomit.
Рвота.
Vomit. Vomit. Broken.
Брокен.
Something
Разбито.
was thrown at it.
Çıkar gece mutlu. Aman ne господи.
Men's clothes.
Здорово, что за хоррор? Дрова. Тухтен. Кем ради это? Не описание урлазер, а ты Архамбай.
Clearly she'd been drinking.
Психо-
Broken mirror.
Психологический хоррор.
I think it's a coincidence. Clearly she'd been drinking.
Она явно выпивала.
Another broken mirror. I don't think it's a coincidence. I
Ну,
wonder what's in those boxes.
интересно, что в этих коробках. Хули там интересного? О,
Bloody footprints.
кровавые следы. Кажется, она наступила на осколки. В душе ничего подозрительного нету.
Vomit. Another broken mirror. I don't think it's a coincidence. Quite a view. Quite a view.
Ничего себе зрелище. Ух ты бы. Что, не открывает, что ли? Так. Тик-тик-тик. Ага.
Yeah?
Так.
Who found her?
Didn't you get the report? It was her husband.
Получил, но не читал. А чё? Бля, курсор ханаралы.
Did she leave any children or family?
No, no children, no brothers or sisters. Foreign parents that she didn't see much. For now, that's all I know. And a husband. Pretty regular corporate profile, if you ask me.
Who found her?
Didn't you get the report? It was her husband.
Do you know anything else about him?
His name is Alex. Pretty average guy. Fitness trainer.
Пам.
Met a few months ago. They're about to get a divorce. He came by to pick up some stuff he'd left here.
Could he have been angry about the divorce?
Yeah. But as I said, she'd been dead for at least 6 hours before he got here. So if somehow he forced her to take an overdose over the phone, then yeah, he could have done it.
What time did he find her?
The morning after. Called right away. Security cameras corroborate the time he arrived, so we don't have any
Следующее
reason to
утро, да.
Thanks.
Thank you. О, сумкен, дрова, дрова.
Go AT's new project.
Новое, ну,
Quite a view. Generative design and automated construction. Probably our last meal.
ее последний ужин. Ее убили или это было самоубийство? Что-то непонятно. Невнятно и непонятно. Так, ладно, что будем делать?
Probably the things Alex came to pick up when he found her.
Пересесть не можно, да? Понял. Что, погнали в лабораторию? Там, может, все готово. А бұл оню, короче, судьяден жанр это бұл кейт бұған ойбыт бұл. Сканер мозга. Воспоминания, жанр воспоминаниялар киран.
Evie, ready?
Yes.
Okay, good. Please operate on patch
Ой.
1.2.
Тургатым.
Scan for the latest memory you can find, ideally just before her death.
Understood.
Типа Assassin's Creed күнді біле анимус тен бар тұратта. Бұл воспоминанияға біле предкаларын кене бары ДНК серіс. Бұл мен типа оны күрдіға біразия олақ камбарын Джон Мейтінен прошлый воспоминания, любой кей прошлый воспоминания тертиелер. Блядь, туйба. Найти объективную информацию о гибели. Чё за глич? Босс, чё за день нахуй?
Hello there, Joanna.
Привет, Джоанна Трудова. Хай, не рехада, ярин.
Reconstructing glass from memories. I don't think we'll ever get it right.
Ата кадар хору деди катук байды. Токтилери. Яркай кадары туй.
Interesting glitch on the clock.
Любопытный дефект в часах.
Could be a filtering error.
Возможно, это ошибка фильтрации. Да, это глич. Фу. Тут же была комната, почему не захожу? Душ. Ой, бля. А сейчас звоню. Так, каждый глич, каждый угол мы чекать будем, что ли? Бля, так стрёмный бабло, наверное, ебаный.
Lots of missing information.
И здесь не хватает массы информации, и, по-моему, да.
I wasn't able to pinpoint any further coordinates. Objective data is incomplete.
Reasons?
High emotional state.
She might have known she was going to die.
М.
Is there enough data to reconstruct a subjective state of the memory?
Yes.
Good. I'll enter the subjective state and see what I can find.
Так, кто сюда какой-то кьют. Ой. Объективный.
Subjective reconstruction.
Субъективный
was
гальман.
successful, but I couldn't interpret all data.
О, бля.
Subjective interpretation is tough for any AI, even a special one like you.
Говорю, субъективный день. Субъективный использование. Жестко искаженный. Тут,
Could this be her as a child?
возможно, это сама в детстве.
In the objective, adult version of her isn't represented. Only her shadow.
Тени, конечно.
Evie, there seems to be a bugged reconstruction here.
Или покажи,
No way to
что...
fix it, right?
There is incomplete data linked to this coordinate. Shouldn't be too far.
We need to find the data to reconstruct this.
Просто ты где? О, что это?
It belongs somewhere in the memory, but I cannot interpret it. I need to know what it is and where it belongs.
All right. I'll study it and put it in the right place.
Каюны. Ой, сука. Туй был. Doğru bulduk takbinde. Oy. Ka? Böyle. Kaya. Туйда bu. Блэс, здорово. Здорово, бро. О, чаhiда. Бля, барахтара bu чахи сифр бады була хатыган үзе. Бля, мына кайыктапын мын тудан турамыз что ли? Ага. Ahal. Belalok muskun küp kırdı kamsada beni. Все, я понял, походу. Ой. Сука. Ладно. Onu buldu. Bu batarya.
Processing. I can't interpret the
Понял.
Do a match with clock data at this spot.
بقول لي كوري بريمي خنرة تيجي داوت والله. Ой. طبعا قطعناها تبغص. وبوس. Да ну нахуй, бля. Ölüm burun ya takıl üstüle. О, сука. О, сука, такой был, бля.
Picture of a dog.
Портрет собаки следует за ней.
Someone's knocking at the
Кто-то...
door. Someone's knocking at the door. Someone's knocking at the door.
Это да, что стучи.
Picture of a dog. Following her?
Dur. Buduy.
processing. I can't interpret the new raw data, but the spikes in the readings suggest an intense, violent moment. Processing. I can't interpret the new raw data, but the spikes in the readings suggest an intense, violent moment.
Sherlock bol. Dalabaların men saqa dodosel ben saytları kelbet umarım. Saqa deydiğin saytı kelbet umarım. Hadi verim.
Processing. I can't
Dur,
interpret the
yani
new
bu-
raw data, but the spikes in the readings suggest an intense, violent moment. Processing. I can't interpret the new raw data, but the spikes in the readings suggest an intense, violent moment.
Сука, будет адр, бля. Интернетке saqa dey sürüy. Туй, o saqa deydi. Зеркало.
Reminder.
Ой, туктар.
Expression. I can momentarily free memory and processing power to deliver more accurate feedback.
Туктар. Ой. Зеркало вот. Вот будет. Батаем мальдер. أعطيه قاري كونسنتريرованный هوس جاخيبت. هيكلا كان والله هيكلا جاكي وري قناة ديت. بس بالله. سوكي. ينبوك. All site'ı kalbete modum. Site. Молодец. Çok da yakın var.
Laptop.
Так. Больше паутина торта. Вот выйду. Ух. Ос, блядь, нахрен вот тут.
Spiderweb.
Выхода нет. На. Bu yeni olacaktı.
Processing. I can't interpret the new raw data, but the spikes in the readings suggest an intense, violent moment.
Ага, şekilde oldu doğru.
Processing.
Aha.
I can't interpret the new raw data, but the spikes in the readings suggest an intense, violent moment. Processing. I can't interpret the new raw data, but the spikes in the readings suggest an intense, violent moment. Processing. I can't interpret the new raw data, but the spikes in the readings suggest an intense, violent moment. Processing. I can't interpret the new raw data, but the spikes in the readings suggest an intense, violent moment.
Ой, блядь, кинесот. Букина, что ли?
No mirror.
Зеркало нет. Бодер, чё? Нарабаларым мен саха абьюзерабын мен жөне эредивин. Бля, ну мана кепсет мен арыз заебан, блин, бан атлайым.
Glass always was original. Seems close. Maybe in the objective state.
Onu kınavat.
Seems close. Maybe in the objective state.
Bu harda что ли?
Processing. I can't interpret the new
Я не могу интерпретировать новые ученые данные за замену. Çok bari tında все не там. Ayınganların kadar kötüler bu hazırlar.
Seems close. Maybe in the objective state.
Oh. Bula ol kene bu hafta ya. Bu kene de. Ne? Bana
Maybe in the objective state.
ya bana kadar yapar. Toxta alırdı.
processing. I can't interpret the new raw data, but the spikes in the readings
Toxta.
suggest an intense,
Toxta.
violent
Bana kene kanadı. Субъективный, объективный, как говорю, кайнаdı.
Evie, do a match right here with a mirror being violently broken.
Во! Нихуя идеаль матавлял. Манның машинаның ярым болду. Индер. Абас, чукур. Или дуру.
Right? She wasn't alone. Should be good enough evidence to keep him satisfied for now.
Should I shut down the simulation?
Please, go ahead.
Understood. Shutting down in 3,
Тухтаны.
2,
Фотобработки инхас кадарава. Эмитис суриду тугаров шутку суридун каян жон эредепни. Ката не. Кая?
Development logs of patch 1.2.
Патч 1.2, возможно.
Carl's last contribution to the project.
Так. Мишка, давай, да. Туре не ватади по. Тит.
Okay, so now, besides switching states, we can actually sort of fast travel to different memories and events inside that. As we know, time is still an issue. You can go back and further in time inside a single memory.
Туйдesi.
I thought it would be handy to have some sort of database of memories
Very
and
nice.
events as you reconstruct them. It also captures visual references as you progress, so it will help us remember a bit about each reconstruction, as it gets confusing sometimes. So, this is very rough, but basically what you do is choose a memory from the subject's lifeline, and then if that memory
А, бля, bu tuh kendi kodları yapıt.
I've got nothing to put in there. Upload is ready. Upload is ready.
Так, загрузка завершена.
Close.
Так,
real problem is head movement.
кандай
Everything's too invasive.
да барма дейт. Чамана тура изучать дивно дальше. Восстановить первичные данные. Что такое вообще? Борт презентация.
Okay, so now, besides switching states, we can actually sort of fast travel to different memories and events inside that memory. As we know, time is still an issue, so you can go back.
Так. Ой, понятно, внятно. Короче, эме бли Детройт курдук. Бекан хуйман дем барды. Типа ну курдук похалак. Biz şöyle devet kuna kadar.
I really need a new partner.
Mantıklı bir batak kimde haktiki bazak.
I
Nasıl
should
böyle?
have called Tom first.
Сначала мне надо позвонить Тому. Дать телефон.
Hey, Russell. Any good news?
It wasn't a clear reconstruction, but I managed to get some objective evidence. There was a clear hand next to her, just when she was lying on her bed, and the pills were all over the floor. So it seems you may be right. There was definitely somebody with her.
A hand. That's all you could find.
Well, Tom, I'm just getting started. Her last memories are fuzzy, and that's probably because of the psychological stress she was under. The fact that she wasn't alone is a good start.
Yeah, good to know. But we need to know who it was so we can do something about it.
I'll keep looking, Tom. Let's just hope the rest of the memories are in better shape.
I hope so. Did you find anything else?
I saw a lot of other things. I just need to understand her unconscious better.
It's fine, Russell. Just keep looking. But I need something else from you. We need to get into her private email. The password. We were able to hack the words, but there are 3 numbers at the start that we don't know. We have only a few shots at this. So that's why I need you.
Прям искать кредиты. Кая блядь, кто?
Her password. That might be interesting to find.
Hey, I'm liking this attitude. I was expecting some moral and legal stuff.
Well, it's not like I'm not worried. The new regulations are like stepping on glass.
Don't be. You're doing what's legally right. Just send us a nice and clean scan and inspection report as required, and there will be no issues.
I'll do what I can.
Good. We're counting on you. The password ends with Namas. N-A-M-A-H-S. But it's preceded by 3 numbers. 3 to 4 tries
Namaks.
with this password at most. So when you have something, call me.
I will.
Ayda bir namaks dedi.
There's been a lot of shutdowns lately. This building's electrical grid is just as old. So I got a backup.
Что за пароль? Где пароль надо?
Okay, Evie. We need to find that password. But most importantly, how and why she
Намaks.
I suspect her using dreams may have a connection with the password, or emotional patterns similar to those of her death.
A deep search is needed to find such patterns. It will take time.
Yeah, I know.
Диана, привет. Привет.
Understood. Search will run overnight.
Optimize the processes as much as you can. Good night, Evie.
Thank you. Good night.
Бля, роботы где не качаешь.
The search will run overnight.
Жестко куталлахта. Хух.
The search will run overnight.
Он махан кихи кутанара хух палах. Авахин бо батах бри чисто жан воспоминания от нанкир. Субъективная хух пай. А так был бәдем ханган яныр өт.
Home, sweet home.
Жесткой был батын. О, нер. Sana tuh kan barang kan fios. Ой, блядь.
So what do I owe this surprise?
Russell, how are you?
No complaints. How about you?
All good, thank you.
Happy to hear that.
Hey, I sent you an
Oh.
email.
Рабочий месяцтен толчок худар бат.
For some reason, I felt like I should call you. It's nothing serious, just wanted to call you personally and tell you that, well, you know, wanted to say that regardless of our professional differences, I'm still here.
Hard сказал.
I felt like I wanted to make it clear.
stable, but they gave me this new case and they don't seem very eager to respect their own laws.
Another murder?
Yes, high-profile one. Go AT, no less.
Wait, can you even tell me this?
You're under the same contract as I am, Carl.
I wonder if it will ever end. You should probably notify me.
Yeah, you should, before they jump to conclusions.
You're absolutely right.
And how are you doing?
Lots of change. House, work, people. Even this number will have to go.
How secretive.
Nah, it's just a renewal. I won't lie that it feels good to have just a funding hope. We should try it one day.
I bet it does. But you know,
You gotta finish your work. Huh? Anyway, Russell, I'm glad to hear that you're okay. Let's be in touch, alright? Make sure to check that email I sent you.
sure, I'll read it.
Good. Bye, my friend. Be safe.
You too, Carl.
Угу. Да, иду. Надеюсь, тюльгар бата поднята.
Just about to turn the corner.
Это бля.
Just need one final push.
But does that ever end?
I'm preparing my final work. The human experience.
О, баш,
It's
ты...
a framework for the future.
All very useful. Very down to earth.
Well, technology has changed the world many times for good or bad. But you could say that we have adapted in a way. But can we adapt forever? Take the internet, for example. A great invention, even though it's presented some serious challenges to society. We're still alive. Now imagine if something as world-changing as the internet happened every year. Then add anti-aging technology to the mix, or technology to improve our brains. Maybe add general AI, all in that same year. And perhaps a new type of bomb. Can we catch up and adapt fast enough? Or will
И иден искусственный интеллект, если что.
Or maybe and leave our fate in the hands of a few politicians.
That's down to earth, I'd say. What do you think? So, what are our options?
I think the scary thing is not knowing. We have to imagine that there's a powerful creature in front of us being fed by our creativity. It's not good, it's not evil. But once awakened, it'll change our civilization forever. We just have to be ready. That's why we need to create a solid ethical framework for the things we want to protect, so the fabric of society doesn't break.
Naive.
Okay, about one particular scary technology. Now that we have such advanced brain scanning tech, do you have any hopes of outlasting the body? Or do the possibilities of that make you even more worried?
I'll do everything I can to keep myself alive.
And what would you say is your biggest drive in all of this? This independent quest?
I'm not sure.
He wants everything.
But why are you still using that voice for Evie? There are so many good ones now.
The fewer layers, the better. We don't need the emotional layer in the voice, do we?
Why not? Wouldn't that make communication easier?
No, it wouldn't. We've talked about this, Joshua. Getting things done between humans and understanding each other is hard enough already. Give me one good reason why I should add that to an AI assistant. What I need is her data expressed as rationally and plain as possible. Like an equation. This fantasy of human-like voices is just as stupid as it is dangerous. Excuse me?
Nothing.
Ничего. Где-то... Курдой тюлях ени ханырды. Баш, кемер кетті. Лора. Кемін Лора ден? Фак. Трах. Дейді. Глава 2. Диск. Отека. Наконец-то утро. Ходила. Фак, не мои дала. Кем Лора ночь? Кто она? Унан таранон не доктор. кудырла хатын тугур. Компьютер кудыргар хатырыт.
Carl's email, and of course, a podcast is included.
You know what? I would never have thought that. It's amazing. It really is. I mean, your parents must be very proud. Congratulations to all of you.
Thanks, Phyllis.
Coming back to your work, you've been there from the beginning, am I right?
Yes, we were less than 15 people, I think. It was like 30 years ago, a few months after the company started.
And now you're head of technology.
That's right.
Amazing. So, before I ask you how smart you gotta be to do that, tell me, how did you guys move from being a small web research company with almost no investment into a company that leads on AI and pretty much every other technology for that matter?
Well, that's a big question.
But from a motivation perspective, what drove the evolution of the company? Was there a master plan from the beginning? Did you think you would expand to so many areas of tech?
Well, there are so many factors together. I mean, there's market share, emerging technologies, how what we already do can adapt to other markets, or let's say minimizing the risk, expanding. Of course, there was also the huge success we had at the beginning that led us to decide pretty much what we wanted to do.
Laura's backpack. She's had it since high school. At this hour?
В смысле, никого, что ли? Странно. Ой. Что там? Без рейф поташ.
What have you gotten me into, Tom?
Лаборатория. Пошли в лабораторию. Так.
Upload is ready. Evie, can you take a look at this letter?
Ого.
See if you can match that picture with anything.
Understood.
And if there are any fingerprints or any other clues you can extract.
I'll start with the picture. I have hardware limitations for most other tasks.
Yeah, I know. I'll build a decent scanner soon. Meanwhile, I'm sure my little project can be of some use.
I will try.
That's all I ask. Nothing else to put in there for now. So,
Haydi
anything
bakalım.
interesting on the search last night?
I found 2 parts of her lifeline that may help you, but only one is fully reconstructed. This one is a childhood memory that seems to be connected not only to the password, but also to her adult life. The other one is a recurring dream that started about 1 month ago, virtually every night. I'll need to brute force my way to a reconstruction for this dream. I'll notify you when I have something that can be uploaded.
Interesting. Upload the childhood memory in the meantime. Keep working on that dream. Evie, please activate the control panel Carl was working on. It might be easier now that we have more than one memory available.
Understood. And letter scan is in process. Nothing found yet.
Thanks. Keep me posted.
Qanday varaqtaq buni? Назад те. Ана дөт. Тугура баттыгын өйдүр бәке.
Control panel 1.2 is activated.
Maybe her parents? Maybe her parents?
Вроде тут нормально. Это что такое?
Processing. useful feedback.
A time warp. The control is near the door.
Пиздец. Бактал лопата. Инди. О,
Happy memories are always saved in a special way.
блядь, где я Джон воспоминания термина каталыжа.
What are you looking at, Joanna? Another failed glass attempt. Although now it reaches further into its surroundings. Children. Glass, mirrors. So many old superstitions exist about them. They are so impossible to interpret subjectively.
Mana to'g'ri bunday valaf
Control
qilib.
is near the door.
Andy ketandi.
Maybe it works from the other side.
Mana qanaqa? Qara olar perimeter kararib. O bile. İyi. Tamam gördüm.
Is it something in the mirror? Another failed glass attempt.
Oh, guri. Aynen ki duracağım. Ki. I hope. Tut ola kanjani. Hoş. Блядь, интернет.
Homemade cookies.
А, домашние
Homemade cookies.
дети, твордир. В субъективном режиме как это? Терминатора хаванара. Бум-бум-бум-бум-бум. Так, bir час стримнив доктор, час по половина. Бонюну 3-4 час. Ого, көрі, бұдан субъективн. Бұл что хангерлениyor? Көрді? Бұл кухня вообще бесконечный аппаратура, бұд көрі.
Could be a defense mechanism.
Most likely. In current patch, they are unfiltered by default.
Are they using my behavior?
Yes.
Good. This will give them a much broader expression range. Thanks for the warning, though. It seems to react to my behavior. It seems to react to my behavior.
Kadın pulu. Ой, бля. Nasıl barbarın aklına koydu? Evet. Ой, бля.
Her own version of things. Such beautiful innocence.
Ее собственная версия.
Her own version of things. Such beautiful innocence.
Processing. Readings continue appearing after the long kitchen. There must be a way through.
you think the subjective entity is doing something to prevent
Oh.
I can't say, but its behavior should be studied in all spaces.
Ого. Ой, бля. Это... Кто его, бля?
Is it the same entity from the kitchen? It doesn't like it when I look at it.
А где она?
Another failed glass attempt.
Опять зеркало.
Now it reaches further into its surroundings.
Ну, а где, блядь? Девочка, где?
Is it the same entity from the kitchen? It doesn't like it when I look at it.
Обоссать.
Interesting that this dog isn't in the objective state. Interesting that this
Uh,
dog
that-
isn't in the objective state.
Ребята, bu kız явно болор. Куди воно йдуть? Там вони? Аяқ көстер. Бля, жигден омтанды. Есть тут что-нибудь?
Spoon with books.
Ложка.
Spoon with books.
Кадрам она.
Is it the same entity from the kitchen? It doesn't like it when I look at it.
Так, эти абахын hazır болған. Туртыр. А, көліктері.
They are definitely a fond memory. Quite different from the objective state.
Неужели он тут подбакнется?
It seems to react to my behavior.
Хуй. Иллюзия.
Evie, what song is this?
Searching. I can't find a match in online databases.
Her own version of things. Such beautiful innocence. There's also that spoon again, orbiting the sun. Interesting. Is it the same entity from the kitchen?
Бля, аллах башы девазым.
I like it when I look at it.
Ёбаный кей дурак. Тара жили көрі қара. Тур. Pizza kastılарды tuyundu.
Processing. Readings continue appearing after the long kitchen. There must be a way through.
Do you think the subjective entity is doing something to block it?
I can't say, but its behavior should be studied in all spaces. Processing. Readings continue appearing after the long kitchen. There must be a way through.
Do you think the subjective entity is doing something to block it?
I
Ne kadar
can't
kara.
say, but its behavior should be studied in all spaces.
Bir diyor kanka kısım objektifine diyor. Kurban. Really?
Processing. Readings continue appearing after the long kitchen. There must be a way through.
Do you think the subjective entity is doing something to block it?
I can't say, but its behavior should be studied in all spaces.
time warp. The control is near the door.
Так, выберем мягкость, минуту буду.
Another failed glass attempt. Although now it reaches further into its surroundings.
Так. Кухня вроде.
They look smaller than they do in the subjective state.
Крыбымарын невмятная уже да. Ура, мына тоқты барлар где. Сүйден орқыры. Тоқты көстіп әді. Тура атырай потом. Ага. Огуры.
Interesting that this dog isn't in the objective state. Is it the same entity from the kitchen? It doesn't like it when I look at it. Another failed glass attempt. Although now it reaches further into its surroundings. Glass, mirrors. So many old superstitions exist about them. They are so impossible to interpret subjectively.
Так, чаманы кынан кора. Bu новая yeni. Orada kıvıt. Evet. Oy. Üt belak tabidir. Parol üt ata. Вот это Полисавр.
Joanna, are you leaving?
Ой.
Joanna, is it you? Where are you going? Joanna, is it you? Where are you going?
Mama. Loot. Это надо говорить бадахта. Джоанна, куда ты уходишь?
Light. Seems like it's leaving the house from under the door. Are you Joanna as well? Are you leaving the house?
Объективные данные в этом событии не. Оба субъективные, которые как так Так.
Joanna, is it you? Where are you going?
Ularning kimden буквалары когда вверх. Ой, муналар. Так, отсюда что там? Что есть? Вот он только. Найти способ прохода. Ага, булгун болак чабын кынарып. Бу объективный, субъективный. Дары, тугры дядым балак. Сейчас выходим. Эти тух сущность нынги ахыртак были. Что за сущность там?
Is it the same entity from the kitchen? It doesn't like it when I look at it.
Тут bir turu olmadı. Manık numara. Bakıyor kamsa bak bu.
It seems to react to my behavior.
О! А ты я что сделал?
Happens only when I walk backwards.
Это происходит?
I should keep going like this.
Ебать. Короче, Гитсуер. Асастыр. Карбыр. Не асастыр. Бля. Ага. Это что? Мужские ноги, да? Бля, тупо. Маннык коннектатым, что ли? Пароль Джоанны найти. 3 первые цифры. Кайтары туры дәвәрім. Ой, блин, а чё, кайду куда это?
Someone's desperate to enter. Someone's desperate to enter. Someone's desperate to enter.
Canım kaha. Canı kaha vardı. 3D сканер динен сканер var bu kuduktadı oynuyordu. Китайский сканер гэнэ. Типа ну кудуга. Ben iyi yarayacağım bu воспоминания. О, кури.
Someone unreadable in the magic mirror show.
Шоу волшебного зеркала.
Someone unreadable in the magic mirror show.
Processing. I
Прям
can't pinpoint an exact event for this area. Time is a moving variable. I recommend keep going forward. It must lead somewhere.
Рекомендую продолжать движение вперед. Это нихуя себе. Ой, бля. Кадам маты. Маты калимата. Эми маннык бар их надо. Да пустой прямой коридор был алат. Ха, маннык бар дуру. Имя кухня. Нахуй мне кухня говорили. Ой, почему искажает? Так. Тоқта. Явно аны тура бар.
Someone unreadable. And the magic mirror.
Самана мерім. А что, детектив образ кида? Ага, детектив образ. Детектив образион. Образион. Образишн. Ага. Первые 3 цифры, да, буквы вот так-то. Откуда ты знаешь, что это цифры? Ой, я на что-то напоролся или упоролся. Бля, ну на аргумент. Это чё? Везде кухня. Ладно, надо нравится. Сканируй.
Processing. I can't pinpoint an exact event for this area. Time is a moving variable. I recommend keep going forward. It must lead somewhere.
Тогда ты должен сканировать вот здесь, вот эти моменты.
Processing. I can't pinpoint an exact event for this area. Time is a moving variable. I recommend keep going forward. It must lead somewhere.
Только вперед это.
Someone's desperate to enter.
Стрим харда. Ас. О, нормально. Вроде норм.
Someone's desperate to enter.
Вроде турактыр кыза.
Processing. I can't pinpoint an exact event for the area after the kitchen. Time is a moving variable there. I recommend keep going forward. It
О,
must
тебя
lead somewhere.
пиматоник. Норм. Ача миха балаха. Болон хаба. Күнгүти абаха турбут мес туара турбут суснес турбут местетер кумагы булалы. Явно ти кумагы туара бар балах. Bu kумагы. Ну говорю, холя. Ай, бля.
Processing. I can't pinpoint an exact event for the area after the kitchen. Time is a moving variable there. I recommend keep going forward. It must lead somewhere.
Bu bolalık sabı. Ah, bu.
I'm sure it's slightly different from the last time I saw it.
Processing. I can't pinpoint an exact event for the area after the kitchen.
O ne
Time is
turardı?
a moving variable there. I recommend keep going forward. It must lead somewhere.
Dergimde bu toksiydi.
A toy dinosaur in the middle of the bed.
Оля, кемере 2 турар ден азматы ти правай хаттынганы көрөм бар. Доктор заданиятын көрө кыра. Найти 3 первые цифры.
Another failed glass attempt. Although now it reaches further into its surroundings.
Явно те ыт аролуня аптактах. Aynen Ahmet. Бля, тоқтау, ребят, янатын.
Processing. I can't pinpoint an exact event for this area. Time is a moving variable. I recommend keep going forward. It must lead somewhere.
ها بغيت نقلب. بالله.
Processing. I can't pinpoint an exact event for this area. Time is a moving variable. I recommend keep going forward. It must lead somewhere.
Ого, это что-то новое.
Path splits in two.
Правило правой руки. Объективный режим недоступен. Она субъективно что-то представляла.
Processing. Highly chaotic readings at this memory event. Reconstruction is barely operational. Processing. Highly chaotic readings at this memory event. Reconstruction is barely operational.
Бәджәбе фантазиялах жан оңор бутун бахлах бонюн онук балага. Воображение розыскать где.
This seems like the shadow of the
Ой, бля, коллектор буду говорить.
memory. This seems like the shadow of the people that were at the start of the memory.
Тени прошлого, один театр. Механики дюни. Аббас, блядь, уйыл. Тоқта бе. Оқыз қачылы. Аббасты.
Is that Joanna inside the frame?
Өс.
Processing. Highly chaotic readings at this memory event. Reconstruction is barely operational.
Бля, вот хуй. О, сука, характер ему говорю. Короче, ее что-то не отпускает в глазах. Как что-то вот кто-то не отпускал. Бұл тура каштар дейді. Или қарағым белена жеп болақ. И что мне даст?
Processing. Highly chaotic readings at this memory event. Reconstruction is barely operational.
Hı. Аба. Ой, бля. Пошел. Аллах, бля.
That behavior was extremely aggressive.
Yes.
I wonder what it's hiding.
Bu turga sarıgdan var. La ne cigdi. Monu tühe maran yiyim pizdes.
Processing. Perhaps there is more information at the other end of the tunnel.
Batu bile informasyonu var.
Maybe it works from the other side. Evie, is there a reason the dog can enter there while I can't?
It wasn't resolved as a neutral space. The coordinates are only for the dog, which is a Class D entity.
Class D. Could it be made into an avatar?
Querying stability. Done. Mapping behavior. Done. Processing. Avatar transform awaiting input. Usability unpredictable.
Bak нихуя. Аватар болып написал. Абыс. Охуенно. Твой. То, что видела псина, да. Кемерут я тут. О, нихуя, бля. Өтмей ты керек мен хәбәр бут. Ау. Не. Кого цапнуть? Иви ее скрозить. Бас, нихуя себе, тух тири. Bunu ne kadar kokunu aldık.
Microwave filter.
Kaç zaman emin? İşte bu da.
You again. Are you watching TV?
Kimin Moskova kararı olaydı? Кого? Так, кыз қалған заты. Ой, бля.
I can't enter. It's like a black wall. Path splits in two.
Амбе, здорово, монстрым оняры. Когда ты монстрым... Харичке, bu детектив за беспальнюет. Ой, так. Здорово, бро.
Subjective entities might react differently to an avatar.
Тух дедің?
Processing. Subjective entities might react differently to an avatar.
Жир. Мына кулгах ихнен хүрен хыр.
Maybe it works from the other side. Maybe it works from the other side.
Сработает с другой стороны, идем.
Unreadable. Maybe in the objective state.
Processing. Subjective entities might react differently to an avatar.
Так, аватарка бар кара. Самбакен.
You again. Are you watching TV?
Субъект. Тух тебе. Как будто сфоткали на 3D модельки наклейки. Ну, а так бәкін графикада пидем машина. Бұл памяти хер жон памятini хер.
Unreadable.
Не,
In
не,
the objective state.
не процесс. А так пидек мощная графика довольно. Ну, короче, элбит чөче памяти хер жон. Блядь, бұл голос по-любому твора дейір қиып бақ. Ду жеттен таққа бұнды. О, дуының болақ. Көрі?
Processing. Subjective entities might react differently to an avatar.
Дашы барып кінәп болақ. Онюны бақтарғының болақ. Itu mana tarih taatim diyor. Bu gelle. Bu barta kız воспоминаниятын тугади. Тугадилleri. Воображение-то. Где тут был глаз, бля? Пизда глаз где? О, ребята, братцы, я что-то сделал. Прикол, баги, фейл.
Another child's room.
Угу. Вот хамнари, где я найти, где найти?
The dog projects a child's shadow.
Отбрасывать
Maybe it's
тень.
not a dog after all.
The dog was also in her death memory, in the form of a picture.
Exactly. Could there be a sister or brother? I was told by that detective that you was a child. We need to find out more about this room and this child. The dog projects a child's shadow. Maybe it's not a dog after all. We need to find out more about this room and this child.
Угу. Выглядит дорого.
Processing. The readings of the data picked up in that room are interesting.
Interesting. How exactly?
Can't be interpreted, but there are possible descriptive words, pattern, voice, day, food. Also, it seems to be connected to positive feelings, which are more present in the earlier events. Reminder, if needed, I can recall for you any discovered raw data left inside memory. Option is on the control panel.
बहुत जल्द बहुत अच्छा करेंगे.
descriptive words, pattern, voice,
Олджар.
food.
Айдатым.
It seems to be connected to
Убая жыл пола. Көрі бұл.
in the earlier events.
Приложение обновления Коран Джавала Мудавит.
Processing. The readings of the data picked up in that room are interesting.
Interesting. How exactly?
Can't be interpreted, but there are possible descriptive words, pattern, voice, day, food. Also, it seems to be connected to positive feelings, which are more present in the earlier events. Processing. The readings of the data picked up in that room are interesting.
Блядь.
Interesting. How exactly?
Can't be interpreted, but there are possible descriptive words, pattern, voice, day, food. Also, it seems to be connected to positive feelings, which are more present in the earlier events.
Бардық ахатуға қолы манна де.
Processing. The readings of the data picked up in that room are interesting.
Interesting. How exactly?
Can't be interpreted, but there are possible descriptive words, pattern, voice, day, food. Also, it seems to be connected to
Аба,
positive
аяқ
feelings,
ингісін
which
алабыд.
are more present in the earlier events.
Аны ылабын. Ылым hep. Мен анжа дақында. Ой. Бұл болақ. Бұл новый событие арланна аты. Манны болақ тақ, по-любому.
Processing. The readings of the data picked up in that room are interesting.
Interesting. How exactly?
Can't be interpreted, but there are possible descriptive words, pattern, voice, day, food. Also, it seems to be connected to
Bu geldi
positive
valla.
feelings, which are more present in the earlier events.
Unreadable. Maybe in the objective state. Unreadable.
Evet.
The objective state.
Processing. The readings of the data picked up in that room are interesting.
Interesting.
Hoca oku diye.
How
Spokbalım.
exactly?
Can't be interpreted, but there are possible descriptive words, pattern, voice, day, food. Also, it seems to be connected to
Bana
positive
da batık benden
feelings,
cıvıt
which are
yapayım diye.
more present in the earlier events.
Bana hırttım. Bu болақ, по-любому. Явно здесь. Bu geldi görüyor.
Fill in this time warp with this data from start to end.
Gördün? Oo, nihуя себе.
Food, it seems. 922 Quint Street. Shinner Bar.
922.
I could check out the real place now.
Тайдут. Вернуться в лабораторию. И как мне вернуться? Жесткая ведь. Память как раз гарная. Анимус. Так. Рих надо что ли?
Russell?
About her password. Try
Kaç beni?
9. 9.
Пошел!
2.
Okay, good. We'll try this out and I'll call you back. Thanks, Russell.
9-9-2 dedi. 9-2-2 dedi.
Laura?
Hey, Dad. Sorry for crashing by with
Ha
you.
Laura dedi. O da
My cell phone was dead.
Is everything all right?
Well, me and Chris had a fight, and I left him.
Sorry to hear that.
Yeah.
Ha 9-2-2 тебе. Тут вот блин yeri oldu. Эй, бля, ты меня наебал, короче. А блин, нихуя лох систем не корпорирует.
Yes, I saw it.
Okay. I'm sorry, Dad. You were right. I hope you don't mind me staying a few days.
It's okay. Let's talk when I get home.
Oh, I'll be going out with a friend tonight. I promise I won't wake you up. It's just that we haven't seen each other for a while. I need someone to talk to. But we'll see each other tomorrow morning, probably.
Yeah, sure.
Great. Thanks, Dad. And I promise I won't be a nuisance.
Don't worry about it. Talk to you soon, all right?
Right. Bye, Dad.
Bye. Laura. So close. Scanning and reconstructing real time. Final problem is head movement.
Так,
Everything's too
мне
invasive.
нужно исправить эту хуету. Хангатан или...
Russell?
А, бля, марын мен сегодня не надо думать.
About her password, Tom. I might have been wrong with the password.
Yeah, I know. We don't have many chances. So be sure now.
Try. 9. 2. 2.
Okay, good. We'll try this out and I'll call you back. Thanks, Russell.
Надеюсь, ничего не переборщили. Дом. Детство Джоанны. А больше... Я ебануться можно. Туда тоже можно пойти, что ли? Она жрала и выпивала, да, постоянно? Так, ой, бля.
Russell, no luck with the password. We need it now.
Like, right now?
Yes, right now.
Бля, 9-2-2-1 это. Попросить небольшую строчку.
Give me 5 minutes. I might be onto something here. I'll call you right back.
Do it, but fast.
Don't not rent.
Those chimes are still hanging somewhere.
Фу. Нихуя себе. Так, ну когда по квартире кидал. Сканируй. Дир.
So, she had a little sister. Martha, could she still be alive?
Пароль Джоанны найти теперь.
Martha, it seems you were quite important in your sister's mind. What happened to you?
Марта. Это он? Сүйіс вон. Доктор, туындағаны сүйіс. Кейін күндік. Хуя. Что-то нарисовывается. Сейчас найду. О, босс. Ага, косканник кудукта это. Тугры булдум. И это пароль. А баста, бля. Кастени. Три ноль девять тенда. Короче, ты долбоёб, бля, когда блин. Абна шабат көстөрдү. Шаман демата, шаман? Галина, привет. Что за шаман? Марын намақс, мұны қасара 309. Хап, өндедім балақ. Узнать, жива ли Марта? Как?
Russell?
О! Бля, ты варни, мышкам да не баралари. Хода. Да.
Do you know anything about her parents? Or a second child named Martha?
Well, she was an only child, and I think the report said she didn't talk with her parents much. Also, they live overseas. How exactly are they important?
Well, her past seems to have affected her last day somehow. Not directly, but there seems to be a connection.
Russell, I need you to focus on who killed her. I know she must have been a very interesting person, with this and that childhood trauma that you're so eager to decipher. But we need to know her password, and who killed her. Concrete facts, Russell.
I know, but finding the connections will lead to the facts. Just tell me if you find anything interesting regarding the family.
And you tell me if you find anything interesting about her death.
Okay. Goodbye, Tom.
Bye, Russell.
Гандон, бля. Что, подцепить нельзя, что ли? Fuck cops.
No defense mechanisms to worry about. Used to be an innocent drawing. Used to be an innocent drawing. Used to be an innocent drawing.
Так, наверняка тут что-то есть. Бля, выгодно.
Amazing that it's still readable. Shaman Poe. Amazing that it's still readable.
Вон на маныкор, бля. Джеки Реннер тебе я. Переверни. Вот. Блядь, изучи нахуй. Шаман. Доктор?
Shaman Poe. Amazing that it's still readable.
309. От чого? Так, идем. Кайри. Чё ты? Боишься, что ли?
Russell?
About her password, Tom. I might have been wrong with the password.
Yeah, I know. We don't have many chances. So be sure now.
Kaç dedi beni? 903 да.
Try. 9. 0. 3.
Okay, good. We'll try this out and I'll call you back. Thanks, Russell.
Здесь что меня? Бля, 309 тертает, сука.
Shaman Poe. Amazing that it's still readable.
Курю, бля, ладно. Дебил, блядь. Как так можно? Sorry for mom. Джоханна. Пароль 309. Блядь, долбоёб, сука. Если видно пароль ревно. Надеюсь, есть шанс.
The mirror still remains. Wasn't Joanna looking at it?
О, курил. Бля, ну-ка что это?
The mirror still remains. Wasn't Joanna looking at it?
309. Чё, не понял, что ли, долбоеб? Когда ты анимация?
Mirror still remains. Wasn't Joanna looking at it?
Так, ререпить. Уравнивать. 309.
Russell?
About her password, Tom. I might have been wrong with the password.
Yeah, I know. We don't have many chances. So
Oh.
be sure now.
Пизди, наверное, я попытка нападения. Щи.
Try.
3,
0.
0.
9.
Okay, good. We'll try this out and I'll call you back. Thanks, Russell.
Харазы ривен.
Shaman Poe. Amazing that it's still readable.
Так, сюда туда ударим локти.
The whole neighborhood feels abandoned.
Хуже весь район опустел. Хуять. Пароллері бардың билер бұлаққа спидранды қада хеп бұлаққа табанияны. Лабораторияға астық.
Nothing else to put in there for now.
Хат, блядь, Том.
Hi, Evie. Any news on the picture scan?
I can't find any patterns. I am limited by the hardware.
Yeah. Point taken.
However, I was able to reconstruct the recurring dream I mentioned before. It seems to have started about 30 days before her death, with strongly repeating patterns. It is available on the control panel.
Good. Thanks.
О,
One of them should be the mother. Microwave food. One of them should be the mother.
о. Что за...
Are those baby sandals behind the glitch? I can't enter. It's like a black wall. A bedtime story, maybe. A bedtime story, maybe. I could swear it's slightly different from the last time I saw it.
Processing. At this time, I don't have any useful feedback. Processing. At this time, I don't have any useful feedback.
Улахан кейдейді біле. Туйды.
Evie, isn't this body a little blown out of proportion for it being in the objective state, I mean?
There are no errors in the simulation.
Is it inside the scale error margin?
0.11% off, but valid thanks to accurate matches on its surroundings.
Okay. Still seems a bit too...
А, 그치, 그치,
I'll
나갔네.
review those algorithms soon.
Understood.
뚠뚠뚠뚠. 뿜뿜.
Are you Joanna as well? Are you leaving the house? Right. Seems like it's leaving the house from under the door.
Так, дәрді оттар. Стримит почти 2 час болды өтті. Оның стримит оқтата өт. Асын дашы стримнік бұд. Бұл прохождение 2 чаға болар. Түйін болла. Бары түйді бұд. Асын үлі. Ким-ки бике мақтал. Всем пока, всем удачи, гаджыман. Көрсе қалы.